I recently made some homemade basil pesto, and I promised in that video that I would share more things to make using that basil pesto. So welcome to the Silly Kitchen today. I'm gonna show you a really simple 4-ingredient pizza, flatbread, whatever you wanna call it, using the basil pesto that you can make right at home. So if you haven't made basil pesto at home on your own yet, please do. It's delicious and you get to control all the flavors that go in there. I will link in the description of this video how to make it, my version of it, and then you can use it to make this flatbread. So easy peasy. I like to use tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and obviously the basil pesto. I also really like red onions on this one. I buy some flatbread, some naan bread, whatever works for you. If you want to use pizza dough and make that yourself, this is a wonderful combination of ingredients on any kind of baked bread. So let's layer this up. Onto the bread goes a nice helping and scoop of that basil pesto. Get it all the way around to the edges and then layer on your actual pizza or flatbread ingredients. I like to start with a little bit of onion, a little bit of tomato, then do that fresh mozzarella cheese on top, all over the place, and then layer a little bit more again. So that way some of your ingredients is under the cheese and some of your ingredients is under the cheese. No, under the cheese and on top of the cheese. I don't know what I just said. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen, where I forget what I say 3 seconds after I say it. In the oven, this pizza goes for 400 degrees, about 12 minutes or so. I like to keep an eye out and stare into my oven as I drool and wait for this pizza to come out. So as soon as you see the cheese sort of bubbling and the bread getting crusty, you are good to go. I even like to put a little bit of pesto on top of the cheese as well, and that way, you know, it looks really pretty and you just have an abundance of that pesto flavor in this flatbread. Super easy, quick to make, awesome for lunch or a weeknight dinner for your family. Thank you for stopping by to the Silly Kitchen. I hope you have some basil pesto dinners and lunches and snacks in your future. Till next time.